How to check your streaks and rewards in Khan Academy. If you have been using the Khan Academy application and wondering on how to check the streaks and reward that you have got while studying, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the application just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap on to settings at the top right corner, select it, then here you can find view progress report. Now tap on it. Now tap on to open in browser, just like this. Now here you can see your progress right here on this website. Now scroll down, then here you can find your progress right here. Then from here you can simply see your streak just right here. And scroll down and tap on to profile just like this. Then scroll down and here you can find your rewards and badges just right here. And that's it. This is how you can check your streak and rewards in the Khan Academy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.